Today we learn how to database backup manually in Odoo. First, log in your system and go to URL and remove this. Write web/database/manager. Hit enter and now you can see here is only one database. You can see a backup, duplicate and also delete. So I want to backup this database. Now type the master password for Odoo and database backup format is zip or pgdump custom format. I want to zip file store file and now click on backup. You can see the backup may take some time before being ready. It may take some times, and here is already downloaded this database. Go to your folder and you can see test10 database is downloaded. Don't forget subscribe my channel. Please like, share and comment. Thanks for watching.